Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your credit card details or Visa card, credit card details inside Uber Eats. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up Uber Eats on your mobile device. And then what you need to do from here is to click on account. And then you want to click onto your wallet. And then where it says here under payment methods, you'll see all your different payment methods. So if I want to remove a payment method, simply click on that card. And then click on remove payment method. And then what you want to do now is go back. And then your payment method will be removed, that payment method, sorry. So yeah, that's how to remove a payment method or your credit card details from Uber Eats. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.